Hi, I'm Amy from Cybernews.com, a source of advice for secure online choices. Black Friday, the fourth Friday in November, is when we see huge sales across many different industries around the world. But in such an uncertain time, the excitement and urgency to jump at much needed products on the cheap might leave you vulnerable to attacks from cybercriminals. That is why in this video we'll break down common threats that you should look out for when shopping online and have a little chat about what you can do to protect yourself. Just last year we saw American consumers spend a whopping $7.4 billion online during Black Friday. This year, as we're all stuck inside and looking for any distraction from the surreal uncertainty we face every day, it's safe to assume some shopping would take place. Cybercriminals always take advantage of global emergencies and events. They never miss a beat and timing happens to be everything. That is why this year's Black Friday is the perfect time to reassess the safety of our online shopping habits. This Black Friday, we will see companies desperately trying to recuperate losses they have suffered during this pandemic. And whilst prices will drop everywhere, unbelievably low prices are usually a warning sign that something is amiss. But as companies try to outsell one another, how do we separate the real deals from the fake? And as companies attempt to beef up their online presence, our email inboxes will soon be flooded with Black Friday and Cyber Monday promotions, only increasing our chances of falling victim to phishing scams. These types of scams usually take place by scammers creating email accounts or even websites that look valid, but their sole purpose is to gain unauthorized access to your personal and financial information. In these emails, you will usually find links that send you to an imitation website where you're prompted to enter personal information. Maybe you're thinking, I only shop with brands I know and love. Well, according to Tessian, the most impersonated brands happen to be the ones we trust the most and ones we usually communicate with via email. This list includes Apple, Netflix, Yahoo, WhatsApp, PayPal, Chase, Microsoft, eBay, and even Amazon. Talking of Amazon, cybercriminals have taken advantage of the many new households that have signed up to their Prime option during the global pandemic. Leading up to Black Friday, Amazon Prime users have been warned about a scam that's targeting Amazon Prime subscribers specifically. The latest scam involving Amazon Prime managed to exploit over £400,000 from hundreds of victims. This was through cold calls with scammers posing as Amazon customer support, prompting members of the public to download an application that grants the cybercriminal remote access to the victim's computer, therefore financial and personal details. Just this week, the consumer group Which warned of the dangers of computer takeover scams, which cost victims more than £16 million a year. Whilst this is an exploit affecting the UK directly, it goes to show that large companies, even the ones we know and trust, can be used for successful phishing scams, especially with Black Friday just around the corner. Amazon has told its customers to be on their guard, and that Amazon will never call a customer for payment outside of their website. Another way that scammers seem to reel people in during this time is through social media, promoting popular items with low prices. This can be done through advertisements on news feeds, so keep your eyes open, or better yet, just don't use social media as a means of finding your Black Friday deals unless it's from an official and verified account. We all love a gift card. Well, cybercriminals are no different, and this could be yet another way for a cybercriminal to set up a trap and remain anonymous in the meantime. Gift cards sold around this time can be counterfeit, out of date altogether, or used as an attempt to acquire targeted personal information. A sure way around this is to make sure to buy a gift card from a legitimate source and always check you're on the official company website. Before I jump into a few extra steps you should always practice during this time, don't forget to click the link down in the description and head to our article for more advice on how to stay safe online during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. There are, in fact, ways to do your Black Friday shopping safely online this year. A few extra steps you can take in the lead up are secure your devices, set up credit card alerts, make sure you always have unique passwords, or better yet, set up two-factor authentication. Be careful what you click on, especially in your inbox, and research before committing to buying. Most of all, don't feel rushed to make a purchase because of the price. Always question the source and don't get lured away by legit retailers by cyber criminals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time.